Hello students, I hope everybody are doing well. This is Swapna, Mathematics faculty from EduHunt IIT and NATE Academy. Right, do you remember what we have discussed in the last session? Yes, we have discussed about the concept of arithmetic progression and arithmetic mean, and we have solved the worksheet number questions from 1 to 5. Today in this session, we are going to solve some more questions from the same worksheet. Let's begin the session. Yes, so here comes the first sixth question. If 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. So what is the question? If 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7, the common difference is dash. So what is the question gave you, like what is 17th term? How will you express 17th term? Which is T, which is located at 17th place, which is T is 17, is equal to this 17th term is exceeding is more. This is getting more than 10th term. How much it is more? It is more by 7. So 10th term you will express it in the form of T10. So T10 you need to add 7 to the 10th term, which is in AP. Then you will be getting 17th term. This is what actually given in the question. 17th term of an AP, which is equals to the 10th term exceeding by 7. Clear? Yeah. So how will you express Tn formula? What is Tn formula? Do you remember? A plus n minus 1 into D. A plus n minus 1 into D. So please put it in the equation. What is A? A value we are not familiar with it. A plus what is n? N is 17. Minus 1 into D is common difference. We are not given. So we'll keep it like that. Okay. Similarly T10. What is T10? A plus in the place of 10 n you have to substitute 10. 10 minus 1 into D. Again we are not familiar. So this is also D here as it is and added with 7. Okay. T 17th term, T 10th term added with 7 because it is exceeding by 7, right? So A plus 17 minus 1 is how much? 17 minus 1 is 16. A plus 16D, which is equal to A plus 10 minus 1 is how much? 9. So A plus 9D, which is added with 7, right? So what you are going to do? A gets cancelled. So can convert all D terms together and this one together. 16 minus 9 is how much? Which is 7D is equal to 7. And what is the common difference from this? Common difference is equal to 1. And what they were asking you? They were asking you about the common difference only. So I repeat the question. What is the question they have given? In an AP, T 17th term, which is equals to T 10th term, and it is added with 7, right? So T10 plus 7. So how will you write T17? A plus n minus 1 into D is actually a Tn or An formula in an AP, right? So in the place of 17, n is equal to 17, I just substitute in both the cases. A plus 17 minus 1 into D is equals A plus in the place of n I rewrote with 10 minus 1 into D plus 7. Okay. A plus 17 minus 1 is 16. 16 into D. A plus 9D. Cancel A on both sides. 16 transform to that side 9. It will become minus. 16 minus 9 is 7D is equal to 7. D value is equal to 7 divided by 7, which is equal to 1. I hope I am clear with this question. Can I get back to next one? Yes. We'll get back to the next question. What is our next question? It's question number 7. So the number of multiples of 4 between 10 and 250 is what? So let's begin the problem. What did they have you asked in the question? Number of multiples of 4 between 10 and 250. So let's form an AP first. Okay. Let's write the terms of an AP. Okay. So first tell me whether it is forming an AP or not. Of course. Because the constant difference is 4, right? The common difference is 4. For 2 is 8. And a difference between 8 and 4 is 4 only. Right? So, of course, the terms of multiples of 4, it is forming an AP. But what will be the first term of this particular AP? That will be is equal to 12. Because it should be greater than 10, right? 10 is not divisible by 4. 4 3s are 12. Next, 12 plus 4 is 16. 16 plus 4 is 20, and so on. What must be the last value? What here they have given 250, but 250 is not divisible by 4. So let's check that. In order to find the last value, 4 6 24, 1 0, for 2 is 8, remainder is 2. Correct, remainder is 2. So 250 minus 2 is 248 will be your last digit. Okay. So, and let's write whatever they have given you in the question. Now, I just formed an AP. So, what will be the first term? A is equal to T1 is equal to 12. What will be the second term? Second term, common difference is equal to, we also needs to learn what is the common difference. Common difference is equal to T2 minus T1. So, what we will have? 16 minus 12, which is equal to 4. And also we have AN. We also have last term of an AP. What is last term of an AP? Which is equal to 248. So what we need to find? We need to find the number of multiples. That means I need to find the value of n over here. Right? Value of n over here. So what AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Correct. A plus n minus 1 into D. So what is AN? AN is equal to 248 is equal to, what is A? A value is 12 plus n minus 1 into, what is D? D value is 4. 248 is equal to 12 plus 4 into n? 4n. Minus 4 into 1? 4. Right. So 248, transform 4 to that side, what it will become? 248 plus 4 is 252. Which is equal to 12 plus 4n. Transform 12 to that side, what it will become? 252 minus 12, which is equal to 4n. What is 252 minus 12? 5 minus 1 is 4. 240 is equal to 4n. I need to find the value of n. 240 divided by 4, 4 ones, 4 60s. So what is the value of n? N is equal to 60. Can you see it in the options? Yes, it's option C. Am I clear with it? Yeah. So just have a look onto it. We'll be getting back to next question. So what is my next question? Please see here. The sum of the first 5 multiples of 3 is. Here comes a new point. What is that new point? Can you see the question? The sum of first 5 multiples of 3 is. So what they were asking here, it is the sum of first 5 multiples. Sum is nothing but adding up of all the terms. First we'll write, what are the first 5 multiples of 5? First 5 multiples, first we will write the terms of an AP. So what are the first 5 multiples of 3? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. These are the first 5 multiples of 3. Correct. So what they were asking you now? They were asking you is nothing but SN. SN means sum of all terms in an AP. What is the value of n? N is equal to 5 here. Right. So S in the place of n you have to substitute 5. S5 is equal to, what I need to do? I need to add all these things. 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus 12 plus 15. Right. So what is the formula? Just add 3 plus 6, 9. 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 12, 30. 30 plus 15 is 45. So what is answer? It's 45. Option A. Just have a look onto it. Can I get back to next question? Is it clear? What do you mean by SN? SN is representing sum of all earned terms of AP. AN is the value of last term in an given AP. That is the difference between AN and SN. Am I clear? S means sum of all terms in an AP. Am I clear with the question? So can I get back to next one? What is the next question? The 10th term of AP is dash. The 10th term of AP is dash. So they were asking you what? A10. Correct? What will be the value of 10th term of an given AP? So what is the formula? A10 is equal to A plus n minus 1 into d. In the place of 10, you have to substitute n, you have to substitute 10. A plus 10 minus 1 into d. So what is the value? A plus 10 minus 1 is 9d. So they were asking you A10, correct? So let's check what is the value of A from the figure. From the given AP, what did they give? What did they give? 5, 8, 11, 14 and so on. So first term A value given here, like first term will be represented in an AP is 5. And what is the second term? Second term T2 is equal to A plus D, which is nothing but 8, correct? And what is the common difference? Common difference is equal to T2 minus T1, 8 minus 5, 3, right? So what I need to find? I need to find A10. So let's substitute A and D values in the equation, right? So A10 is equal to A value is how much? A value is 5 plus 9 into what is D? D is common difference, which is given as 3, right? So what we will have? A10 is equal to 5 plus 9, 3 is 27. So A10 is equal to how much? Answer is 32, right? It's option A, right? Can I get back to next one? What is the next question? In an AP, if D is equal to minus 4, N is equal to 7, AN is equal to 4, then A value is equal to what? So we have A, N and D, right? So can I write Tn or An, nth term of an AP formula? A plus N minus 1 into D. Again, as usual, we have Tn or An formula is A plus N minus 1 into D. Correct. What did they give? Just rewrite all these things. An is equal to 4, D is equals to minus 4, N is equal to 7. So what I need to find? I need to find the value of A. So let's substitute all the values here. 4 is equal to what is A? That only I need to find. What is N? N is 7 minus 1, and what is the common difference? It is minus 4. It is equal to minus 4. So 4 is equal to A plus 7 minus 1. 6 into minus 4. 4 is equal to A plus into minus 24. Transform this to that side. 4 plus 24 is equal to A. A value is equal to, what is the first term here you have? A value is equal to 28. So it's option D. I hope everybody are clear up to 10th number question. So I kindly request you to solve some more questions from the remaining problems of your worksheet. And if not, I will teach you in your next session. I hope everybody enjoyed it. Thank you. Bye-bye.